Spine straight. The eyes. Take this deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in and exhale. Take a deep breath in. Hold it there. Om. 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 श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं यो अन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसुप्तां सञ्जीवयत्यखिलशक्तिधरस्वधाम्ना अन्यांश्च हस्तचरणश्रवणत्वगादीन् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम् प्राणान् नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम्। हरिः ओम् श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। हरिः ओम्। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। ॐ श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलं स्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। वेट्रिवेल् मुरुगन हर हरो हर भूतनाथ सदानन्द सर्वभूतदयापर रक्ष रक्ष महाबाहो शास्त्रे तुभ्यं नमो नमः। स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्पा। कोमलं कूजनं वेणु श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परं ब्रह्म भासतां पुरतो मम। सायङ्काले वनान्ते कुसुमितसमये सैकते चन्द्रिकायां त्रैलोक्याकर्षणाङ्गं सुरवरगणिका मोहनापाङ्गमूर्तिम् सेव्यं शृङ्गारभावैः नवरसभरितैः गोपकन्या सहस्रैः वन्देऽहं व्रासकेलीरतमतिशुभगं पश्य गोपालकृष्णम्। आनीलश्लक्ष्णकेशं ज्वलितमकरसत् कुण्डलं मन्दहासस्यन्दाद्रं कौस्तुभश्रीपरिगतवनमालोरुहाराभिरामम् श्रीवत्साङ्कं सुबाहुं मृदुलसदुदरं काञ्चनच्छायचेलं चारुस्निग्धोरुमम्भोरुहललितपदं भावयेऽहं भवन्तम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनम् गोविन्द गोविन्द। मोक्षाभिसारमय भागवताख्यदध्नो नारायणीय नवनीतमहो गृहीत्वा मायामयौघपरितप्तजनाय योगात् नारायणावनिसुराय नमोऽस्तु तस्मै गङ्गा गीता च गायत्र्यपि च तुलसिका गोपिका चन्दनं तत् सालग्रामाभिपूजा परपुरुष तथैकादशी नाम वर्णाः एतान्यष्टाप्ययत्नान्यपि कलिसमये त्वत्प्रसादप्रवृद्ध्या क्षिप्रं मुक्तिप्रदानीत्यभिददुर्षयस्तेषु मां सज्जयेथाः हरये नमः गोपिका जीवनस्मरण गोविन्दा गोविन्द श्री पोन्नुगुरुवायुरप्पने शरणं आनन्दचिन्मयने शरणं चोटानिकर भगवती अम्मये शरणं नारायण अखिल गुरो भगवं नमस्ते. Pranams to the Lord. Pranams to all the Mahatmas in tonight's Narayaniam session. We are in this beautiful stage of Rasa Leela. We are doing Rasa Panchadhyay, out of which 2 chapters, 2 dashakams were finished yesterday. We have got 3 more to go of that series, which 2 we will do today. And the most beautiful part we are going to do on Monday. So we'll have to still wait. One of the beautiful part, the Gopika Geet is going to come today. And another tune which is so beautiful to hear, that will come on Monday. So let's enjoy every moment. That means what? Completely everything is going to be Krishna Maya only, and every dashakam from like yesterday we have started is going to be so sweet and so beautiful. Okay. So now we are doing 67 and 68 today, right? So this 67 will have a couple of chandas, but more or less same tune, only the number of thing is different, which we have seen before, the combinations of Indra Vajra and Upa Vajra and then Upajati. So it's the same combination. We will not waste time on any of that. Let's just directly begin. Okay, so this is what Bhagavatas Tirodhanadi Varnanam, how Lord has disappeared. Okay, in the middle of this Rasa Leela is happening. Yeah, we saw how they had gone and how, what all they were doing. In that now Lord has disappeared. Why did Lord disappear? We will see. My kids are there. Yes, it's Anish to begin with. Other 2 will join, right? Anish.
They
Anika
will
and
join they'll join the next dashakam because this dashakam they are not there.
Oh, okay. Okay. There. Oh, next dashakam is very beautiful. Waiting for Anika only. That means that dashakam. Okay. Let's start. Dashakam 67. Bhagavatas Tirodhana Divarnanam. Disappearance of the Lord. Upendra Vajra. Then after some time Upajati will come. Few of the things will do. Spurat Parananda Rasatmakena.
पुरत्परानन्दरसात्मकेन
त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः
त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः
असीममानन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः. Provide the visarga.
असीममानन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः
महान्तमापुर्मदमम्बुजात् महान्तमापुर्मदमम्बुजाक्ष्यः
महान्तमापुर्मदमम्बुजाक्ष्यः स्फुरत्परानन्दरसात्मकेन त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः असीममानन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः महान्तमापुर्मदमम्बुजाक्ष्यः.
You will do one more verse. Okay. So you wait. I'm not taking more data. So Spurat Parananda Rasatmakena. Who is that? It's a Lord's description. The Lord who is Purat Parananda Rasatmaka, who is supreme bliss. Lord is that. So, Tvaya, by you, Samasadita Bhoga Leelaha. So, Bhoga Leela is happening. So, Lord is sporting now at the banks of Yamuna. So, he has started this Leela. Then, Asima Ananda Bharam Prapannaha. Asima. There is no Sima. There is no, so infinite Ananda Bharam. Complete bliss.
Hmm? Who had experienced that? The last word, Ambujakshaha. The lotus eyebrow means the gopikas had experienced this asima anandabhara. They were prapannaha means that experience was there. They were anandabhara. Then when that thing is happening in front of that Lord, who means you can just forget, right? So they actually had forgotten. But there was one small but. Mahantam apuhu madam. Mahantam, big. Apuhu came, acquired. What? Mother. They acquired some pride. Right, okay, I'm dancing with the Lord. Okay, okay, I'm beautiful. Okay, the Lord is wanting me, and I am this. So they got into the pride zone. So the aham bhav, which was not there, slowly it awakened into them. And Bhattacharya is saying Mahantam Madam. So it is they began to feel like स्फुरत्परानन्दरसात्मकेन त्वया समासादितभोगलीलाः असीममानन्दभरं प्रपन्नाः मोहान्तमापुर्मदमम्बुजाक्ष्यः निलीयते सौ मयि मय्यमायम्
निलीयते सौ मयि मय्यमायम्
रमापतिर्विश्वमनोभिरामः
रमापतिर्विश्वमनोभिरामः
इति स्म सर्वाः कलिताभिमानाः. Provide the visarga.
इति स्म सर्वा कलिताभिमानाः
निरीक्ष्य गोविन्दतिरोहितो भूः.
निरीक्ष्य गोविन्दतिरोहितो भूः निलीयते सौ मयि मय्यमायम् रमापतिर्विश्वमनोभिरामः इति स्म सर्वाः कलिताभिमानाः निरीक्ष्य गोविन्दतिरोहितो भूः.
Going to make you say one more. All these are for on terms of Anika, on terms of Arjun you are doing. Okay. Niliyate asau mai. Just see, mai niliyate. That just now we said, huh? That Lord is mai niliyate. Lord is behind me in that sense. Mai niliyate. Lord is behind me. In me, the Lord is. The Lord is coming behind me, or the Lord is, getting infatuated by me. Huh? Mahi, and Mai Mayam Ramapatihi Vishwamanobhiramaha. Ramapati. So now Lord has been addressed. So we saw so many words, no? Vibho we have seen. But now see the specific word addressed as Ramapati. He is Lakshmipati. Okay. And how is he? Vishwamanobhiramaha. The one who is captivating Vishwamanobhirama, the one who is captivating the whole universe, or the entire universe is getting captivated by him, if we are going to say that way. The Gopikas are feeling Lord is getting captivated because of me. So like this, itisma sarvaha kalita abhimanaha. They became abhimana full. They were full with abhimana. This niriksha, having seen this, our Lyabantavya, having seen like this, gopis are thinking like this, Govinda, tirohito bhuhu. Govinda disappeared from there. What he can do? So, if they are captivated by Lord, but now it is happening ulta. Gopikas are feeling Lord is captivated by them. Let's see how for a while the mind can happen. But again, that is the highest form of bhakti, so they became one with the Lord anyways. Our thing is different. They doing is on a different level. Okay. So we need not suddenly bring them down to our level and gauge them at our pride. That is at a different level. It's Lord's Leela and to the world. Lord wants to say through them. They are faultless, sinless. They are actually prideless only. निलीयते सौ मयिमय्यमायं रमापतिर्विश्वमनोभिरामः इति स्म सर्वः कलिताभिमानाः निरीक्ष गोविन्द तिरोहितो भूः. Now what happens? Lord has disappeared. Then राधाभिधां तावद जात गर्वाम्
राधाभिधान्तावदजात गर्वाम्
अतिप्रियाङ्गोपवधूं मुरारे
अतिप्रियाङ्गोपवधूं मुरारे
भवानुपादाय गतो विदूरम्
भवानुपादाय गतो विदूरम्
तया सह स्वैरविहारकारी
सहस्वैरविहारकारी राधाभिधान्तावदजात गर्वाम् अतिप्रियाङ्गोपवधूं मुरारे भवानुपादाय गतो विदूरम् तया सहस्वैरविहारकारी.
Manish, it's a treat to hear you chant. Your diction, your voice, it's very nice, so powerful it is. So, Radhabhidha. So there was one gopi whose name was Radha. Radha Abhida, one gopi. Tavat, that time, Ajata Garvam. So there was this one gopi named Radha who was Ajata Garva, who didn't have any Garva. Then that's why Atipriyam Gopavadhum Murare. To that Murari, oh Murare, that's why she was Atipriyam to you. You loved her dearly because this Garva didn't come into her. Then Bhavan, what did he do? Bhavan, Upadaya Gataha Viduram Tayasaha. With her, you took her and you went far away. Viduram, you went Gata. And Swaira Viharakari, and was sporting with her at will. Swaira, at will. So only one Gopika is now taken. Radhabhidam tavada jata garvam atipriyangopavadhum murare bhavanupadaya gato viduram taya sahasvaira viharakari. I will scan his hands. Lalitama, number 4. Tirohite thatvai, thatvai vikvaha, tirohite thatvai jata tapaha,
तिरोहिते तत्त्वयि जाततापाः
samam sametah kamalayatakshyah,
समं समेतः कमलायताक्षः
vane vane tvam parimargayantyah,
वने वने त्वां परिमार्गयन्त्यः
vishadamapur
विषादमापुर्भगवन्नपारम् तिरोहिते तत्त्वयि जाततापाः समं समेतः कमलायताक्षः वने वने त्वां परिमार्गयन्त्यः विषादमापुर्भगवन्नपारम्.
See now what has happened. Tirohitaha, tirohite athatvai. So when this saptami vibhavakti comes, we know when this happened, then this happened. Sati saptami. So like this you said. So when you disappeared, tirohite tvai, then jata tapaha. All the gopikas became desperate. They were restless. They felt God has left them. So as if the sky has now fallen down. So samam sametaha, with all of them, these Kamalaya Taksha, these lotus-eyed one, vane, throughout all the forests, tvam parimargayantyaha, tvam parimarga, to you, they were searching you. And then Vishadam apuhu, that apuhu word we saw now, right? Garvam apuhu, then no. Did we say Garvam apuhu? Yeah.
Mahantamapuh.
Mahantamapuhu mother. So Mahantamapuh. So same word has come over here. Vishadamapuh. Now they became extremely sad. And Bhagavan, oh Lord, they became extreme. And Bhagavan Aparam. So Aparam Vishadam. That is the vibhakti together. So they couldn't tolerate that separation. So unbearable separation pang they felt. तिरोहिते तत्त्वयि जाततापाः समौ समेतः कमलायताक्ष्यः वने वने त्वां परिमार्गयन्त्यः विषादमापुर्भगवन्नपारम्. Number 5. हाचूत हाचम्पककर्णिकार
हाचूत हाचम्पककर्णिकार
आमल्लिके मालति बालवल्यः
हामल्लिके मालति बालवल्यः
किं वीक्षितो नो हृदयैकचोरः
किं वीक्षितो नो हृदयैकचोरः
इत्यादि तास्त्वत्प्रवणाविलेपुः.
इत्यादि तास्त्वत्प्रवणा विलेपुः. हाचूत हाचूत हाचम्पककर्णिकार हामल्लिके मालति बालवल्यः किं वीक्षितो नो हृदयैकचोरः इत्यादि तास्त्वत्प्रवणा विलेपुः.
So now what happened? They got mad. They don't see the. So now what they're saying? Hachuta, oh mango tree. Hachampaka, oh champa flower tree. Karnikara, ha Karnikara, oh Karnikara tree. Ha Mallike, a jasmine tree. Malati, ha Malati, oh Malati tree. Oh Balavalya, the small creepers. They're talking now to the trees. They're calling. Kim Vikshitaha, Naha, Hrudayaika Choraha. Kim, did you see? Vikshitaha, did you see? Naha, our Hrudayaika Chora, who has stolen our hearts. That one robber who has stolen our hearts. Have you seen? Have you seen? So now the Lord is not there. So they are asking to the trees, have you seen the one who has stolen our Ityadi, etc. Taha, those, Tvatpravanaha, who are devoted you, Tvatpravanaha, they are engaged in you, they are devoted in you. Vilepuhu. They started just blabbering like this, lamenting like this, asking everything. So who is there? There's no passerby, only they are there in the forest. So they are seeing different trees, flower trees, fruit trees, creepers. They're talking, asking, did you see? That sentence is so. Kim vikshitaha naha hridayeka choraha. हाचूत हाचम्पककर्णिकार हामल्लिके मालति बालवल्यः किं वीक्षितो न हृदयैकचोरः इत्यादि तास्त्वत्प्रवणा विलेपुः. शोभाजी. Number 6. निरीक्षितोऽयं सखि पङ्कजाक्षः My connection was paused. If you have chanted, could you please chant again?
I didn't hear you, Varshaji.
Maybe my connection. Sorry. Nirikshitoyam sakhi pankajākṣah.
Nirikshitoyam sakhi pankajākṣah.
Makara. Puro mametya kulamalapanti.
Puro mametya kulamalapanti.
Tvam bhavana chakshushi vikshakāchet.
Tvam bhavana chakshushi vikshakāchet.
Tāpam sakhīnān dviguni chakara.
Tāpam sakhīnān dviguni chakara. Nirikshitoyam sakhi pankajākṣah. Puro mametya kulamalapanti. Tvam bhavana chakshushi vikshya kachit. Tapam sakhīnān द्विगुणी चकार.
So then, Nirikshitaha ayam, Sakhi, oh friend, I have seen Nirikshitaha ayam, this Pankajakshaha, this lotus-eyed Puro in front of me, Puro mama, in front of me, iti akulam alapamti. So with great emotion, she was blabbering like this, Kachit, one, and Tvam Bhavana Chakshushi. How she has seen Bhavana Chakshushi in the imagination. The eye of only an emotion she has seen. And then she is saying that Viksha, seeing Lord Kachit, that some Gopika, Viksha, she has seen that, seeing that one of the Gopika has seen the Lord, that Puro Mama, she has seen Pankajaksha. The other gopis are there, no? That Sakina, tapam dviguni chakara. Their tapa she multiplied. Oh, she could see and I am not seeing. So already the grieved gopika's disappointment doubled. Dviguni chakara. Because one gopika is seeing, but one gopika is actually not seen. She is seen her only in bhavana chakshrushi. Only the feeling. In that feeling, I only. But actually she has not seen the Lord. But others don't know that, right? Others are thinking that she is seeing. So now their disappointment grew. Nirikshito grew, no, doubled. Nirikshitoyam sakhi pankajakshaha puro mametya kulamalapamti tvam bhavana chakshrushi vikshaka chet apam sakhinan dviguni chakara. Radha Krishnanji. Number 7. Tvadatmikasta yamuna tatante
त्वदात्मिकास्ता यमुना तडान्ते
तवानुचक्रुः किल चेष्टितानि
तवानुचक्रुः किल चेष्टितानि
विचित्य भूयोऽपि तथैव मानात्
विजित्य भूयोऽपि तथैव मानात्
त्वया विमुक्तान् ददृशुश्च राधाम्
त्वया विमुक्तान् ददृशुश्च राधाम् त्वदात्मिकास्ता यमुना तडान्ते तवानु
त्वदात्मिकास्ता यमुना तटान्ते
त्वदात्मिकास्ता यमुना तडान्ते तवानुचक्रुः किल चेष्टितानि विजित्य भूयोऽपि तथैव मानात् त्वया विमुक्तान् ददृशुश्च राधाम्.
So now what has happened? Tvadatmikaha. Tvadatmikaha. They have identified with you. And Yamuna Tatante, on the banks of the Yamuna river, Tava Anuchakruhu. They were following you. They were copying you, whatever your deeds were there. Kila Cheshtitani. And they were doing all the actions. Means Lord's Leelas, they were replaying. And they were enacting what Lord was doing. Then vichitya bhuyopi tatha mana tvaya vimuktan dadrushucha radha. So now when vichitya, when while they were searching vichitya for the Lord, then tatha eva manat, because of that same mana, by that same garva, vimukta, Lord had left Radha, they saw her. Lord had taken Radha, but now they saw that Radha. So, am I audible? Again, my connection has gone.
We could hear you, Varshaji. We could hear
Okay. Because the screen paused for me. So I come to know that if my screen is paused, then okay. So then Radha also got into a garva and Lord had left her also. So tatha eva manat tvaya vimuktam, left by you. Radham dadrushu. They saw Radha, who were left by it. Okay. Tada tvadatmikasta yamuna tatante tavanuchakruh kila cheshtitani vichitya bhuyopi tathaiva manat tvaya vimuktam dadrushuscha Radham. Nikhilaji, number 8. ततः समन्ता विपिने समन्तात्
ततः समन्ता विपिने समन्तात्
समन्तात् then समोवतारावधिमार्गयन्त्यः
तमोऽवतारावधिमार्गयन्त्यः
पुनर्विमिश्रा यमुनातटान्ते
पुनर्विमिश्रा यमुनातटान्ते
वृषं विलेपुश्च जगुर्गुणांस्ते
वृषं विलेपुश्च जगुर्गुणांस्ते ततः समन्ता विपिने समन्तात् तमोऽवतारावधिमार्गयन्त्यः पुनर्विमिश्रा यमुनातटान्ते वृषं विलेपुश्च जगुर्गुणास्ते.
So now what happens over here? Tataha, then samam ta samam, all of them together, taha samam taha vipine, in the forest, samantat, everywhere in that forest, tamovatara till it could get tama, till it could get dark, margayantyaha, like that word which we saw earlier, pari, where was that word? Parimargayantyah. See, in number 4. Vane vane tvam parimargayantyah. We have seen parimargayantyah. Now same that word, margayantyah, searching. Parimargayantyah, everywhere, all over, all around. Margayantyah is also same. Still it could get dark, they were searching the Lord. Then they didn't get. So Punarbhimishram. And again they gathered where? Yamuna Tatante, on the banks of river Yamuna. And Bhusham Vile, too much they started lamenting, too much crying. Jagur Gunamste. And Te Gunan, your Gunas, they Jaguhu. They started to sing Lord's glories. So I have written over here, Bhusham Vilepu, I have underlined over there and I have said over there Gopika Geet. And it is 10.31, like that one reference I have written and kept. Okay. Tata Samanta Vipine means of Bhagavad Puran, 10.31. Tata Samanta Vipine Samantat Tamovatara Vadhimargayamtyaha Punarvimishra Yamuna Tatante Bhusham Vilepuscha Jagurgunamste. Lalita, huh? Number 9. तथा व्यथा संकुलमानसानां
तथा व्यथा संकुलमानसानां
प्रजाङ्गनानां करुणैकसिन्धो
प्रजाङ्गनानां करुणैकसिन्धो
जगत्त्रयी मोहनात्मा
जगत्त्रयी मोहनात्मा
त्वं प्रादुरासीरयिमन्दहासी
त्वं प्रादुरासीरयिमन्दहासी तथा व्यथा संकुलमानसानां व्रजाङ्गनानां करुणैकसिन्धो जगत्त्रयी मोहनात्मा त्वं प्रादुरासीरयिमन्दहासी.
So now what happens? Tatha, then Vyatha Sankula Manasanam, the minds who were completely grief stricken, those Brajangana, to those Brajanganas, Karunaika Sindhu, oh, the all compassionate one, you, who is also Jagatrai Mohanatma, who enchants all the 3 worlds, that you, Pradurasi, you came in front of them with Mandahasi, with a small punny smile, he comes and shows himself. Now he is all compassionate when he was testing them. Tatha vyatha sankulamanasanam vrajangananam karunaika sindho jagatrai mohanatma vam pradurasi raimam dahasi. Lataji. Number 10. संदिग्ध संदर्शनमात्मकान्तम्
संदिग्ध संदर्शनमात्मकान्तम्
त्वां वीक्ष्य तन्व्यः सहसा तदानीम्
त्वां वीक्ष्य तन्व्यः त्वां वीक्ष्य तन्व्यः सहसा तदानीं
किन्न चक्रुः प्रमदाति भारात्
किन्न चक्रुः प्रमदाति भारात्
तत्त्वं गदात् पालय मारुतेश
तत्त्वं गदात् पालय मारुतेश संदिग्ध संदर्शनमात्मकान्तं त्वां वीक्ष्य तन्व्यः सहसा तदानीं किन्न चक्रुः प्रमदाति भारात् सत्त्वं गदात् पालय मारुतेश सदा सर्वत्र गोविन्द नाम संकीर्तनं गोविन्द गोविन्द नारायणाखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते.
Veena, I have a doubt over here. Are we chanting any shlokas after this? I have written only shlokas, but I have not written the shlokas. Are you there, Veena?
Yeah, I'm here.
Ah.
No.
Okay, so I have written over there some shlokas to be chanted, but the shlokas are not to be seen over there. It's not there, no?
Don't.
Connection is gone again. Oh, God. Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay. So,
But I think your video is frozen.
my video is frozen. Oh dear. Okay, how to settle this? Okay, is there something we chant over here after this?
No, not to my knowledge, Varsha.
Okay, fair enough. Then we can just say Gopika Jivana Smarana. Oh no, we are singing that for the next chapter. I don't know then why I have written shlokas and I've put dash dash dash, probably to write it later, and later it has not happened. So that out. Does it? And the first word over here, Sandigdha Sandarshanam Atmakanta. Because Sandigdha, they were doubting whether the Atmakanta, the beloved one, they would ever get to see. They were doubting. And then Tvam Diksha, having seen him, Tanvyaha Sahasa Tadanim, immediately that time, suddenly, all the Gopikas, Kim na Chakruhu Pramadati Bharat. Kim na Chakru, what to do, what not to do. Pramada ati bharat, for the weight of that, now they have seen the Lord, the joy is cannot be contained, and that bhara, with that heaviness of that joy, means filled with that joy. Kim na chakru, what should I do, this or that or what? They don't know what to do, they didn't know how to do, and they are seeing actually Lord, and which was not going to happen, and now they are seeing the Lord. So such a Lord, O Marutesha, from Gadat Palaya, from all the ailments, you protect me. He is doing so many miracles, so you should protect me now from all my ailments. Sandigdha Sandarshanam Sandarshanam Tvam Viksha Tanvya Sahasa Tadanim Kinkina Chakruh Pramadati Bharat Satvangadat Palaya Marutesha Gopika Jivana Smarana Govinda Govinda. So nicely he took us through this. No, we just sailed through it. And now comes the most beautiful part, the Gopikanam Bhagavad Sama Gamadi Varananam. So how it is going to happen, we will see that. We are not discussing Chandas and all. We'll straight away go into the beauty of this. Okay. My kids are there. Arjun is there. Okay. You can see. In this, no, what we are, it's, we have to add in between the word Krishna. So after every, so you will have to mark it because later you will forget. You have a pencil in your hand? Okay, everybody just go quickly get some pencil. Don't mark your books with pen and all. Okay. Tava Vilokanat Krishna Gopika Janaha. So now Vilokanat, you put one line over there. Means there you have to say Krishna. Because later on you will not remember. And once you get habit of chanting, then you will know. Tava Vilokanat Krishna Gopika Janaha.
तव विलोकनात् कृष्ण गोपिका जनाः
प्रमद संकुलः कृष्ण पंकजे क्षण.
प्रमदसङ्कुलाः कृष्णपङ्कजे क्षणाः
So now because the word Krishna we are adding in between, Pramada Sankulah Pankajekshana, but Krishna has come, so the Visarga rule will go for the Krishna. Pramada Sankulah Krishna Pankajekshana. So everywhere now, if the Anuswara or anything is happening, it would be with respect to the word Krishna. Because we are inserting that word over here. So we'll have to remember that. So you all just have to strike one line and keep that over there. You have to chant Krishna. You have to chant Krishna. Tava Vilokanat Krishna Gopika Janaha.
तव विलोकनात् कृष्ण गोपिका जनाः
Pramada Sankulah Krishna Pankaje Kshana.
प्रमदसङ्कुलाः कृष्णपङ्कजे क्षणाः
Amrutadharaya Krishna Samplita Hiva.
अमृतधारया कृष्णसम्प्लुता इव
Sitamitatang Dadhu Krishna Tvatpurogataha. Oh,
स्थितमितता
sorry. Stimitatang Dadu Krishna Tvatpurogataha.
तिमिततां दधुः कृष्ण त्वत्पुरोगताः
Hmm.
तव विलोकनात् कृष्ण गोपिका जनाः प्रमदसङ्कुलाः कृष्णपङ्कजे क्षण अमृतधारया कृष्णसम्प्लुता इव स्तिमिततां दधुः कृष्ण त्वत्पुरोगताः
Hmm. Anisha and Anika will also join, right? After some time means laugh. So, Tava Vilokanat, having seen you, oh Krishna, Gopika Janaha, all the gopis, Pramada Sankulaha, they got with happiness, overjoy, out of control. And O Pankajekshana means it's addressing. The lotus side one is like this happened to them. And Amruta Dharaya, as if it was the Amruta's Dhara. Amruta is downpouring as though it is. And they Samplutaiva, they got as if drenched into that Amruta. And because of that, Stimitatam, they became stunned. They couldn't move. Completely motionless they became. And Tvat Purogata, seeing you in front, their condition was like this. They attained that status. Complete joy and stunned, and the whole moment is frozen. Tava Vilokanat Krishna Gopika Janaha Pramada Sankulah Krishna Pankajekshana Amrutadharaya Krishna Samplita Hiva Stimitatang Dadu Krishna Tvatpurogataha. Next. Yes, Ani. Tadanukachana Krishna Tvatkarambujam. You could unmute yourself, my dear.
तदनुकाचनः कृष्ण तदनुकाचनः कृष्णत्वत्कराम्बुजम्
Sapadi Grunhati Krishna Nirvishankitam.
सपदि गृह्णति कृष्णनिर्विशङ्कितम्
Ghanapayodhare Krishna Sannidhaya sa.
धनपयोधरे कृष्णसन्निधाय सा
Ghana you said, no? Or you said the?
घ
Pulaka Samvruta Krishna Tasthushi Chiram.
पुलकसंवृताः कृष्णतस्थुषीचिरम् तस्थुषीचिरम्
Hmm.
तदनु काचनः कृष्ण त्वत्कराम्बुजम् सपदि गृह्णति कृष्ण निर्विशङ्कितम् घनपयोधरे कृष्ण सन्निधाय सा पुलकसंवृता कृष्ण तस्थुषीचिरम्
Tadanu, that time, Kachana, some Gopika, Twatkarambujam, your lotus hand, Sapadi, suddenly, Grunhati, took it, Nirvishankitam, without any shanka, without any lajja, without any hesitation, she held the Lord's hand and Ghana Payodhare, Sannidhaya, and kept it on her chest. She took the Lord's hand, she kept it on her chest. Sa Pulaka Samvruta. Then she got those horripilations and Tasthushi Chiram and stood like that only, stunned for a long time. Tadanu Kachana Krishna. Tadanu Kachana Krishna Tvatkarambujam Sapadi Grunhati Krishna Nirvishankitam Ghanapayodhare Krishna Sannidhaya sa Pulaka Samvrita Krishna Tasthushi Chiram. Okay, comes with it. Tava Vibhopara Krishna Komalam Bhujam
तव विभो परा कृष्ण कोमलम्बुजम्
Nijagalantare Krishna Paryaveshtayat
निजगलान्तरे कृष्ण पर्यवेष्टयत्
Galasamudgatam Krishna Pranamarutam
कलसमुद्गतम् कृष्ण प्राणमारुतम्
Pratinirundhativa Krishna Sativa Krishna. After va you should give a pause. Pratinirundhativa Krishna Ati Harshula.
प्रतिनिरुन्धति कृष्ण
Tiva, Ati. Tiva is Ativa. Tiva Krishna Ati Harshula.
हर्षुला तव विकोपरा कृष्ण कोमलम्बुजम् निजगला
Nijagalantare, like that.
निजगलान्तरे कृष्ण पर्यवेष्टयत् कलसमुद्गत कृष्ण प्राणमारुतम् प्रतिनिरुन्धतीव कृष्णार् अतिहर्षुला.
So, thank you, sweet. Now what happens over here? Vibho, oh all-pervading one. Apara, some other lady. Tava komalam bhujam, your tender arms. Nijagalantare, her own neck. Paryaveshtat, wound, took your hand and wound around her neck. Some apara, one another gopi. And Gala Samudgatam Pranamarutam. The Pranamaruta, the air, Gala Samudgatam, which is coming through the throat, coming through the neck, as if to Prati Nirundhati, as if to choke herself, as if she wants to stop the breath. Out of what? Out of Ati Harshul. Out of joy. They don't know what to do now. They're seeing the Lord. So they've taken the hand and as if, taken the hand and wound themselves up. So they don't know with the extreme joy what they are doing to the Lord. My bandwidth has gone low and my screen has stopped. Never mind what to do. Tava Vibho Para Krishna Komalam Bhujam Nijagalantare Krishna Paryaveshtayat Galasamudgatam Krishna Pranamarutam Pratinirundhativa Krishna Ati Harshula. So when you mark now, then later you write Krishna, huh? Because after sometimes we forget to chant. If the word is written, then it will flow with it. Okay, so all kids are done. Let us continue with the adults. Lalitama. Okay. Apagatattrapa Krishna kapi kamini.
अपगतत्रपा कृष्णा कापि कामिनी
Tava mukhambujaat Krishna pugacharvitam.
तव मुखाम्बुजात् कृष्णा पूगचर्वितम्
Pratigruhyya tat Krishna vaktrapang. So tad, over there you put a slash. Then it is Krishna. Pratigruhyya tat Krishna vaktrapankaje.
प्रतिगृह्य तत् कृष्णा वक्त्र पंकजे
Nidadhati gata Krishna purna kamatam.
निदधति गता कृष्ण पूर्ण कामताम् अपगतत्रपा कृष्ण कापि कामिनी तव मुखाम्बुजात् कृष्ण पूगचर्वितम् प्रतिगृह्य तत् कृष्ण वक्त्र पंकजे निदधति गता कृष्ण पूर्ण कामताम्
What all they are sitting and doing. You will laugh now. So one of this Gopika, what she has done, apagata trapa, her trapa, her shame, apagata has gone completely. Means, in short, one Gopi who was shameless. Kapi kamini, some Kapi, some Gopi, tava mukhambujat, tava, your mukhambujat, fifth case, from your lotus-like mouth, Puga charvitam. That what beetle leaf you were eating, pantharata. Okay. So Krishna's, she has put pratigruhya tad vaktra pankaje. She put her hand in Krishna's mouth and he was eating the pan, the beetle leaf. She took it out from his mouth and pratigruhya vaktra pankaje nidhati gata. She put it in her mouth to chew it, continue chewing it, what Lord was chewing. So they were Purna Kamata, that completely whatever all her desires or whatever was there, everything got fulfilled thereafter. Apagatatrapa Krishna kapi kamini tava mukhambujat Krishna pugacharvitam pratigruhayya tat Krishna vaktra pankaje nidadhati gata Krishna purna kamatam. What to do? From his lotus-like mouth into her lotus-like mouth. She has taken it. Lataji. Vikaruno vane Krishna samvihaya mam.
विकरुणो वने कृष्णा संविहाय माम्
Apagatosi ka Krishna tvamiha sprishet.
अपगतोऽसि का कृष्णा त्वामिह स्पृशेत्
Iti saroshaya Krishna tavadekaya.
इति सरोषया कृष्णा तावदेकया
Sajalalochanam Krishna vikshito bhavan.
सजललोचनं कृष्णा वीक्षितो भवान् विकरुणो वने कृष्णा संविहाय माम् अपगतोऽसि का कृष्णा त्वामिह अपगतोऽसि का कृष्णा त्वामिह स्पृशेत्. Somehow it's not coming. Is it correct?
Correct. Apagatosi ka Krishna tvamiha sprishet.
अपगतोऽसि का कृष्णा त्वामिह स्पृशेत् इति सरोषया कृष्णा त्वा तावदेकया सजललोचनं कृष्णा वीक्षितो भवान्.
So somebody now has got some anger on Krishna. Okay. Oh, what did I do? Okay. What has happened? Vikarunaha, without any karuna. Minus. Sans karuna, sans any compassion. Vane, in the forest. Samvihaya, leaving mom. Leaving me, you went in the forest. Apagatosi, you disappeared. Katvamiha sprushet, who will touch? Iti, like this. Saroshaya, with anger. Tavad ekaya, that time, one Gopika. Sajala lochanam, eyes full of water. Vikshito bhavan. So she was looking at the Lord with her tearful eyes and asking with anger, how did you leave like this and go? Vikaruno vane Krishna samvihaya mam apagatosi ka Krishna tvamiha sprushet iti saroshaya Krishna tavadekaya sajalalochanam Krishna vikshito bhavan. Shobhaji. Some hands disappeared in between, huh? Okay. Iti mudakulai Krishna Vallavi janaihi.
इति मुदाकुलैः कृष्णावल्लवीजनैः
Samamupagato Krishna yamune tate.
सममुपागतो कृष्णामुने तटे
Mrudukuchambarah Krishna kalpitasane.
मृदुकुचाम्बरैः कृष्णाकल्पितासने
Kusruna bhasure Krishna paryashobhatha.
गुसृणभासुरे शोभथाः इति मुदाकुलैः कृष्णवल्लवीजनैः सममुपागतो कृष्ण यामुने तटे मृदुकुचाम्बरैः कृष्णकल्पितासने घुसृणभासुरे कृष्ण पर्यशोभथाः.
So all this Leela is happening. Okay. Iti, like this, all these Leelas are happening. Mudakulaihi, completely soaked in bliss. Vallavi Janehi, by those Gopikas. Samam, with them. Upagataha Yamuna Tate, went to banks of Yamuna. And then Mrudu Kuchambaraihi, soft upper cloth. Kalpitasane, they gave the seat, made the asan for the Lord. And Ghusruna Bhasure Paryashobhataha. And there was this saffron. So Ghusruna is a saffron. That stain, Paryashobhataha. You were shining over there. Iti mudakulai Krishna vallavi janaihi samamupagato Krishna yamune tate mrudukuchambarai Krishna kalpitasane Ghusruna-bhasure Krishna paryashobhathaha. Who all have gone to Vrindavan?
We have gone.
Yeah.
I have been there, Varshaji.
We
You
have
have
been there
seen that,
recently.
yeah, you have seen that place where it is
Yeah.
abandoned in the night, and
No.
even till date, the Rasalila
Nobody
happens
goes
over
there.
there, and
Yeah.
you have to just vacate the place, and nobody can
Yeah.
stay back also.
Yes.
And every night this happens, and there are some proofs next day morning which makes that you believe that the Raslila has happened. Nobody can watch to say, and if somebody cheats and also something happens to that person, but nobody can see that, and still this thing happens over there. So if nobody has gone somewhere, I have not gone to Vrindavan, please go and see that. Last there was a Bhagavad Saptaha ever happened. So like Swamiji is doing Bhagavad Saptaha in Vrindavan, all that combination somewhere. So one of those camps that had happened. So I just remember when such things are happening out over there, it's resplendent means it's resplendent. It's happening means it's happening. It's Yamuna Tata means it's Yamuna Tata. And it's actually there. It's not when they call mythology, there it comes as an anger. It's not imaginary. It's not mythology. It is our culture. So mythology means myth. No? So it's not a myth. So never call our stories mythology. These are histories. These are happening. These are Puranas. These are Satya Kathas. So beautiful, huh? So imagine like that, Lord. Okay. Shobhaji chanted now, right? Radha Krishnan ji. Somewhere the thought goes, I landed in Vrindavan actually. Kati vidha kripa Krishna kepi sarvataha.
कतिविधा कृपा कृष्ण के भी सर्वतः
Dritadayodayah Krishna kechidashrite.
धृददयोदयः कृष्ण के जिदाश्रिते
Didrisha Krishna madrushe. Over here. Madrushe shvapiti. We'll have to do. Madrusheshupi. We'll have to. And then Ityabhihito. Iti we should stop. 1 minute. Let me see. Katichididrisha Krishna madrushveshvapiti. Ityabhihato bhavan. Okay. Katichididrisha Krishna madrusheshvapiti.
कदिविदीदृशा कृष्ण मादृशेष्वपीति
Madrusheshva Piti. Abhihito bhavan Krishna vallavi janaihi.
अभिहितो भवान् कृष्णवल्लवी जनैः कतिविधा कृपा कृष्ण केऽपि सर्वतः धृतदयोदया कृष्ण केचिदाश्रिते कतिविधीदृशा कृष्णमादृशेष्वपीति अभिहितो भवान् कृष्णवल्लवी जनैः
Katividha Krupa, how many Krupas are there? They are asking. Little bit hurt. So, Katividha Krupa. How many kinds of Krupa, compassion are there? Kepi Sarvato Dhruta Dayodaha. Some of them are have compassion, Dhruta Udayaha, Sarvataha, towards all. And Kechid Ashrite, for some others, only in some people only they will show Karuna. And Katichit some Idrisha, Madrusheshu, and someone like that, even towards people like me, however. So some are like this. And Abhihita Bhavan Vallavi Janehi. And sometimes Idrisha, like this, without any kindness also there will be. So Gopikas were telling like this to the Lord. How many kinds of Krupa would be there? Katividha Krupa Krishna kepi sarvataha Dhritadayodaya Krishna kechidashrite Katichididrisha Krishna madrusheshvapiti Abhihito bhavan Krishna vallavi janaihi. Now what happens over here? Lalita ji, other Lalita ji has joined. Okay, come, sit down. Okay, so now in this verse and the next verse. So you have to mark and write over there Radhe. So now Krishna is talking in these two words. So far Gopikas were talking. Now Krishna is going to talk. So how you will say this verse? Ai Kumarika Radhe Naiva Shakyata Naiva Shankyata. Right, Radhe? You will forget.
Ai Kumarika Radhe Naiva Shankyataam.
Kathinata Radhe. Kathinata Mai Radhe Prema Katare.
Katinata Mai Radhe Prema Katare.
Mai tu Chetasa Radhe Vonu Vrittaye.
Mai tu Cetaso रदेवो ॐ वृत्तये
कृतमिदं मयेति राधे ऊचिवान् भवान्
कृतमिदं मया रदेयीत्युचिवान् भवान् करेक्ट
But you can chant when you are chanting. I will get it because in between my connection was so when you are chanting full, I'll hear you.
अयि कुमारिका रदेनैव शङ्क्यताम् कठिनता मयि रदे प्रेम कातरे मयि तु चेतसो रदेवानुवृत्तये कृतमिदं मया रदे इत्युचिवान् भवान्
तमिदं मयेति राधे ऊचिवान् भवान्
कृतमिदं मया रदे
मयेति मयेति
ओके कृतमिदं मया मयेति रदे यूचिवान् भवान्
Uchi, not you.
ऊचिवान्
You are
shall I
my
ऊचिवान्
dear.
shall I do it again
Okay.
अयि कुमारिकारदेनैव शङ्क्यताम् कठिनता मयि रदे प्रेम कातरे मयि तु चेतसो रदेवानुवृत्तये कृतमिदं मयि रदे ऊचिवान् भवान्
कृतमिदं मयेति मयेति
कृतमिदं मयेति रदे ऊचिवान् भवान्
Okay. Hai Kumarika. Oh girls. Oh little girls. Naiva Shankyatam. Never doubt. Kathinatam mai prema katare. This hard-heartedness and all, actually I don't have. Please don't doubt. Okay. Mai tu I, mai chetasa anuvrittaye. Your chetasa, your mind in me should anuvrittaye. Without any break should be continuously on me. Maya iti krutam, idam krutam. This was done by me so that your minds would be on me continuously. Uchivan Bhavan, you said so. अयि कुमारिका राधे नैव शङ्क्यताम् कठिनता मयि राधे प्रेम कातरे. You know this, where did it go? This prema katare, Lord is saying that I don't want to lose your love. And your mind should always be on me. So I did this. Prema katare mai. अपि कुमारिका राधे नैव शङ्क्यताम् कठिनता मयि राधे प्रेम कातरे मयि तु चेतसो राधे वोऽनुवृत्तये कृतमिदं मयेति राधे ऊचिवान् भवान् मयेति राधे. Please write over there, because this is all going to forgotten and then you will not then Uchivan, Udirgha, Uchivan Bhavan. Please write over there. It is all going to get forgotten. Okay, next. Litama. Okay, over here also Radhe. Krishna is still continuing to talk. Ai nishamyatam Radhe jiva vallabhaha.
अयि निशम्यतां राधे जीववल्लभाः
Priyatamo jano Radhe nedrusho mama.
प्रियतमो जनो राधे नेतृषो मम
तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्ययामिनीषु.
तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्ययामिनीषु
So starting. Right over there, it will be forgotten. Anuparodhamiti radhe alapo vibho. So again, miti, T short, radhe alapo vibho. Right, you will forget.
अनुपरोधमीत्यलपो
See, I said now only that it will be forgotten.
Okay.
Anuparodhamiti radhe alapo vibho. Because we don't remember it.
Tadiharam.
Anuparodhamiti
Once again, madam.
radhe.
Once
That's
again.
what I'm saying. Anuparodhamiti radhe alapo vibho.
Okay. अनुपमीति रोधराधे आलपो विभो अयि निशम्यतां राधे जीववल्लभाः प्रियतमो जनो राधे नेतृषो मम तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्यया नीषु अनुपालयो विभो आलपो विभो.
My connection was gone. I didn't hear you, so I don't know whether it was right or wrong.
Okay.
Please
And
chant
I will
again.
say it again. Yeah.
Yes.
अयि निशम्यतां राधे जीववल्लभाः प्रियतमो जनो राधे नेतृषो मम तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्ययामिनीषु अनुपरोधमिति राधे आलपो विभो.
So now what he says?
Is it correct?
Ai. Yes, correct. It's correct. Okay. Now what happens? Ai. Jiva Vallabhaha, my darlings, Lord is saying. Nishamyata. Please listen. Priyatamaha janaha na idrushi mama. Idrushi, like this, there is no one dear to me. Therefore, iha ramyatam, you can enjoy, we can sport over here. Ramya yaminishu, in beautiful nights, we can ramya over here. Anuparodham, without any uparodha. Iti alapo vibho, like that you said. So just now I said, in Vrindavan, they do have it every night. The Gopikas and Bhagwan, they do have every night without any hindrance. Bhagwan is saying over here, Ramya Yaminishu, in all nights. It's a promise given by Bhagwan, and every night the Rasa Leela happens over there. One must go to Vrindavan. Ayi nishamyatam radhe jiva vallabhaha प्रियतमो जनो राधे नेदृशो मम तदिह रम्यतां राधे रम्ययामिनीषु अनुपरोधमिति राधे आलपो विभो. Now the last verse, again come back to Krishna. So write over there Krishna and keep. You should know. Otherwise it will be. So when we are going first, put /, write Krishna and keep over there. Okay. Lataji. So many people are there, but only these 4 or 5 people have raised hands. Okay. And they are getting chance again and again to chant Lord's name. Those who are probably, maybe you are somewhere else or something else has not taken, maybe office, maybe something. Okay. Iti giradhikam Krishna modameduraihi.
गिराधिकं कृष्ण मोदमेदुरैः
व्रजवधूजनैः कृष्ण साकमारमन्.
व्रजवधूजनैः कृष्ण साकमारमन्.
कलितकौतुको कृष्ण रासखेलने.
कलितकौतुको कृष्ण रासखेलने.
गुरुपुरीपते कृष्ण पाहि माङ्गदात्.
गुरुपुरीपते कृष्ण पाहि माङ्गदात्. इति गिराधिकं कृष्ण मोदमेदुरैः व्रजवधूजनैः कृष्ण साकमारमन्. कलितकौतुको कृष्ण रासखेलने. गुरुपुरीपते कृष्ण पाहि माङ्गदात्.
See what has happened. iti, like this. Giradhikam. These words, gira, adhikam, modameduraihi. They just went berserk. What such a Lord is going to say like this, then what? Modamedura only will happen. They couldn't contain their joy. It was so intense and infinite because Lord gave such a promise. And then Vrajavadu Janaihi Sakam. Sakam means with. Sakam Saha, that time all third case will come. And with Vrajavadus, with all the Gopikas, Raman. He was sporting. And Kalita Kautukaha. So there was so much of enthusiasm in what? In Rasa Khela. And Lord did sport with them, and Rasa Leela did happen, and they enjoyed because they were so happy that Lord said, no, I'm not disappearing. And don't get angry. Nothing is happening. And he assured, and thereafter they remained with the Lord. Now, such Guru Puri Pate, Ahimang Jadat. Protect me from all the diseases. Iti giradhikam Krishna modameduraihi vrajavadujanai Krishna sakamaraman. Kalita kautuko Krishna rasa khelane Gurupuri pate Krishna pahi mangatat. Sada sarvatra Govinda nama sankirtanam Govinda Govinda Gopika Jivana Smarana Govinda Govinda. So with his krupa so effortlessly, so well before time, we have completed it. What we will do, we'll just start the next dashakam and keep, because we won't complete it in the next session. And I'm little excited for the tune of that next. And it is that Rasakrida Varananam is coming. We will not see the meaning soon, but we will see the tune now. And then the description and all, we will do it on the next session on Monday. And so that we can complete not only this dashakam, we can complete the 70th also. Okay, so we will start. Kids are there or they disappeared? I caught them. They disappeared. Maybe the tuitions or something would be there. Okay, so now Lataji finished, Okay, why Shobhaji's hand went down? Shobhaji, let me have you. This is bonus. Okay, so Dashakam 90, Rasakrida Varnanam, Kusuma Manjari, all that we are leaving aside, we will start directly. Okay. केशपाशधृत पिच्छिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम्
केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन्मकरकुण्डलम्.
I don't think so. I said pinchi. Okay. Anyway. हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्.
हारजालवनमालिका
हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्. हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्.
हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्.
पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्चदंशुमणिनूपुरम्. So, पीतचेलधृत काञ्चि काञ्चितमुदञ्चदंशु मणिनूपुरम्. पीतचेलधृत काञ्चि काञ्चितमुदञ्चदंशु मणिनूपुरम्.
पीतचेलधृत काञ्चि काञ्चितमुदञ्चदंशु मणिनूपुरम्.
रासकेलि परिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे.
रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
We'll do two, two. केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमकरागघनसौरभम्
केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति
केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका
केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन्मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम्
पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्च दंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे
पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्च दंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
Good. Now say the full.
केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन्मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम् पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्च दंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासपमीश कलयामहे।
The last line again.
रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे।
Very nice to hear it in your voice. And I had wanted to hear it, and it was like that only. So sweet to hear. केशपाशधृतपिञ्छिका वितति सञ्चलन् मकरकुण्डलम् हारजालवनमालिका ललितमङ्गरागघनसौरभम् पीतचेलधृतकाञ्चिकाञ्चितमुदञ्च दंशुमणिनूपुरम् रासकेलिपरिभूषितं तव हि रूपमीश कलयामहे. So we are just getting the hang of the tune, meaning and all we'll see on Monday because we won't finish otherwise the whole Dashakam. And not only this, we have to finish the next one. So we'll just get a hang of the tune. Lataji, come on a right time, come in. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले
कण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले
गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले
अन्तरा सकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमण सञ्चरन्
अन्तरा सकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमण सञ्चरन्
मञ्जुलान्तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्चनाभसमुपादधाः
मञ्जुलान्तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्जनाभसमुपादधाः.
You want to go for the full or you want me to chant two lines?
2 lines, Varshaji.
Okay. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले.
तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीलकुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले.
अन्तरासकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमणसञ्चरम् मञ्जुलान्तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्जनाभसमुपादधाः.
अन्तरासकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलान्तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्जनाभसमुपादधाः. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलितकञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोलमणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेऽथ परिमण्डले. अन्तरासकलसुन्दरी युगलमिन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलान्तदनुरासकेलिमयि कञ्जनाभसमुपादधाः.
Excellent. Even your voice, fantastic. Okay. Lalitama. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभम्.
वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभम्.
दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला.
दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला.
वेशभूषणविलासपेशलविलासिनी शतसमावृता.
वेशभूषणविलासपेशलविलासिनी शतसमावृता.
नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोऽथ सुरमण्डली.
नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोऽथ सुरमण्डली.
वासुदेव. Okay, you don't want it? Okay, go ahead.
वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभम्. दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला. वेशभूषणविलासपेशलविलासिनी शतसमावृता. नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोऽथ सुरमण्डली.
Excellent, excellent. वासुदेव तव भासमानमिह रासकेलिरससौरभम्. दूरतोऽपि खलु नारदा गदितमाकलय्य कुतुकाकुला. वेशभूषणविलासपेशलविलासिनी शतसमावृता. नाकतो युगपदागता वियति वेगतोऽथ सुरमण्डली. Lalitama. Number 4. वेणुनादकृततानदानकलगानरागगतियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृततालमेलन मनोहरम. There is no pause. So venunada krita tana dana kala gana raga gati yojana लोभनीय मृदु पाद पात कृत ताल मेलन मनोहरम. Okay. वेणुनाद कृत तान दान कलगान राग गति योजना लोभनीय मृदु पाद पात कृत ताल मेलन मनोहरम.
वेणुनादकृतदान रागगदियोजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपादकृततालमेलन मनोहरम्.
Excellent. Pani Sankwanita. So Sankwanita is the pronunciation. Sankwanita Kankana. Pani Sankwanita Kankanancha Muhuram Salambita Karambujam.
पाणि संक्वणित कंकणंच मुहुरं पाणि संक्वणित कंकणंच मुहुरं सलिम्बित कराम्बुजम्.
मुहुरं सलम्बित.
पाणि संक्वणित कंकणांच मुहुरं सलम्बित कराम्बुजम्.
श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलि रसडम्बरम्.
श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलि रसडम्बरम्. वेणुना Shall I do it?
Yes, go ahead.
वेणुनादकृतदान कलगान रागगति योजना लोभनीय मृतुमादपादकृत तालमेलन मनोहरम. पाणि संक्वणित कंकज पाणि संक्वणित कंकणंज मुहुरं सलम्बित कराम्बुजम्. श्रोणिबिम्ब जलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलि रसडम्बरम्.
Attend the baby first.
I'll ask you to read.
वेणुनादकृततान दान कलगान रागगति योजना लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृततालमेलन मनोहरम्. पाणि संक्वणित कंकणंच मुहुरं सलम्बित कराम्बुजम्. श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलि रसडम्बरम्. Radha Krishnan ji. Number 5. स्पर्धया विरचितानुगान कृत तार तार मधुरस्वरे.
स्पर्धया विरचितानुगान कृत तार तार मधुरस्वरे.
तनेथललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे.
नर्तनेथललिताङ्गहार लुलिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे.
सम्मदेन कृत सम्मदेन कृत सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्दिविशदाङ्कुलम्.
सम्मदेन कृत पुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्दिविशदाङ्कुलम्.
Perfect. चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोह सवधूकुलम्.
चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम्.
You want 2 lines, or you would do?
Shall I?
Yes.
स्पर्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतारमधुरस्वरे नर्तने ललिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे.
Yes.
कम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद्दिविशदाङ्कुलम् चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम्.
Excellent. Very well chanted. स्पर्धया विरचितानुगानकृततारतारमधुरस्वरे नर्तने ललिताङ्गहार मणिभूषणे सम्मदेन कृतपुष्पवर्षमलमुन्मिषद् द्विविशदाङ्कुलम् चिन्मये त्वयि निलीयमानमिव सम्मुमोहसवधूकुलम्. Somebody put in Daily Gita that we'll start at 7 o'clock. We'll complete this. Lataji. Number 6. स्विन्न सन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना.
स्विन्न सन्नतनु वल्लरी ददनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना.
कान्तमंसमवलम्बते स्म तव कान्तिभारमुकुले क्षणा.
कान्तमंसमवलम्बते स्म तव कान्तिभारमुकुले क्षणा.
काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभम्.
काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभम्.
वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा.
वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा. स्विन्न सन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना. कान्तमंसमवलम्बते स्म तव कान्तिभारमुकुले क्षणा. काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभम्. वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजमञ्चितोरुपलकाङ्कुरा.
पुल.
वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा.
स्विन्न सन्नतनु वल्लरी तदनु कापि नाम पशुपाङ्गना. कान्तमंसमवलम्बते स्म तव कान्तिभारमुकुले क्षणा. काचिदाचलितकुन्तला नवपटीरसारघनसौरभम्. वञ्चनेन तव सञ्चुचुम्बभुजमञ्चितोरुपुलकाङ्कुरा. शोभाजी. Number 7. कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलम्.
कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलम्.
पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम्.
पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम्
इन्दिराविहृतिमन्दिरं भुवनसुन्दरं हि नटनान्तरे
इन्दिराविहृतिमन्दिरं भुवनसुन्दरं हि नटनान्तरे
त्वामवाप्य दधुरङ्गनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्
त्वामवाप्य दधुरङ्गनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम् कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय
कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलम्
कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलम् पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम् इन्दिराविहृतिमन्दिरं भुवन सुन्दरं हि नटनान्तरे त्वामवाप्य दधुरङ्गनाः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्
कापि गण्डभुवि सन्निधाय निजगण्डमाकुलितकुण्डलम् पुण्यपूरनिधिरन्ववाप तव पूगचर्वितरसामृतम् इन्दिराभिहृतिमन्दिरं भुवनसुन्दरं हि नटनान्तरे त्वामवाप्य दधुरङ्गनः किमु न सम्मदोन्मददशान्तरम्। लता कार्तिक जी। गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतम्
गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतम्
ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलन्न नृतुरङ्गनाः
ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलन्न नृतुरङ्गनाः
नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुली
नाविदन्नपि च नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीम्
ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतम् ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलन्न नृतुरङ्गनाः नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीम् ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे
गानमीश विरतं क्रमेण किल वाद्यमेलनमुपारतम् ब्रह्म सम्मदरसाकुला सदसि केवलं न नृतुरङ्गनाः नाविदन्नपि च नीविकां किमपि कुन्तलीमपि च कञ्चुलीम् ज्योतिषामपि कदम्बकं दिवि विलम्बितं किमपरं ब्रुवे ललिताजी मोदसीं निभुवनं विलाप्य विरतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो
मोदसीं निभुवनं विलाप्य विरुतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो
केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनाम्
केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनाम्
मन्मथासहन चेतसां पशुपयोषिता सुकृतचोदितस्तावदाकलित मूर्तिरादधित मारवीर परमोत्सवान्
मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितस्तावदाकलितमूर्तिरादधित मारवीर परमोत्सवान् मोदसीं निभुवनं विलाप्य विरुतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनाम् मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितस्तावदा
If
कलितमूर्तिराद
you're breathing over there, Sukrita Choditaha, you do, and then Tavat.
Okay.
Other
Okay.
Sukrita Choditas Kalita, then you stop after Kalita.
मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिरादधितमारवीर परमोत्सवान्
Correct. मोदसी निभुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलि समृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनाम् मन्मथा सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदाकलितमूर्तिरादधित मारवीर परमोत्सवान् राधा कृष्ण जी केलि भेद परिलोलिताभिरति लालिताभिरबलालिभिः quite complicated केलि भेद परिलोलिता भिरति लालिता भिरबलालिभिः
केलिभेदपरिलोलिताभिरति लालिताभिरल केलिभेदपरिलोलिताभिरति लालिताभिरबलालिभिः
Very good. स्वैरमीशननुसूरजापयसि चारुनामभिरुतिं व्यधाः
स्वैरमीशननुसूरजापयसि चारुनामविहृतिं व्यथाः
आननेऽपि च विसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुतमनोहरे
काननेऽपि च विसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुतमनोहरे
सूनसौरभमये विलेसितविलासिनी शतविमोहनम्
सूनसौरभमये विलेसितविलासिनी शतविमोहनम् केलिभेदपरिलोलिताभिरतिलालिताभिरबलालिभिः स्वैरमीशननुसूरचापयसि चारुनामविहृतिं व्यथाः काननेऽपि च विसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुतमनोहरे सूनसौरभमये विलेसितविलासिनी शतविमोहनम्
केलिभेदपरिलोलिताभिरतिलालिताभिरबलालिभिः स्वैरमीश ननु सूरजापयसि चारुनाम विरुतिं व्यधाः काननेऽपि च विसारि शीतलकिशोरमारुतमनोहरे सूनसौरभमये विलेसितविलासिनि शतविमोहनम्. लताजी. कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान्
कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान्
पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवङ्कमपि योगी गम्यमनुभावयन्
पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवं कमपि योगी गम्यमनुभावयन्
ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयन्
ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयन्
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् कामिनी
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्
भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्.
The last line, put a bracket over there and put cross and 3 times. We have to say 3 times in this kind of a tune. And in the end, say Gopika Jivana Smarana Govinda Govinda. Okay.
कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान् पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवं कमपि योगी गम्यमनुभावयन् ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयन् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्. गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते. Thank you, Varshaji.
कामिनीरितिः यामिनीषु खलु कामनीयकनिधे भवान् पूर्णसम्मदरसार्णवङ्कमपि योगी गम्यमनुभावयन् ब्रह्मशङ्करमुखानपीह पशुपाङ्गनासु बहुमानयन् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम् भक्तलोकगमनीय रूपकमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम्. गोपिका जीवनस्मरणं गोविन्दा गोविन्दा नारायण अखिल गुरु भगवन् नमस्ते. Wow, what is grace? Habba, that we completed this. I just wanted to introduce tune, but it would have been incomplete without doing this. So between yesterday and today, that continuation of completing the Rasa Panchak is his krupa. It was not planned. If the tune you all have enjoyed, the meaning you all will keep on chewing. It's so beautiful. this particular Dashakam. The entire description of Rasaki Leela is coming in this. We'll wait to hear the meaning on Monday. But at least now we have that whole set in hand. You all practice all the 5 Dashakams. When you sit, try and chant all the 5 Dashakams together. It's nice to do the Rasa Panchadhyayi together. And especially now this last one. It's like, it's a meditative, it's very emotional, it's very overwhelming. It's just beautiful. So I'm so happy that he made it possible, something which was not in our small buddhi. A bigger plan came and took over the sessions. And we got Daily Gita also now starting. So let's revel in this for the week. And then if any doubts, please share it in the WhatsApp group and we'll join Daily Gita. Ah, so beautiful. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Hari Om everyone. Thank you for
Thank
joining.
you.
Thank you, Varsha. Thank you
Thank you.
so much.
Thanks a
Thank you,
lot.
Varsha
Thank
ji.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Lovely, lovely Panchakam.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
Thank you, Varsha ji.
We are so blessed.
This
We
all
are
the
blessed.
all these 5 this thing, no, Dashkams, please can you please chant and post all together?
Thank you.
Thank you, Varsha ji. Hari Om.
Yes, Hari Om.
Thank you, Varsha
Thank
ji.
you, Varsha ji.
Hari Om. We should catch hold of actually Veena. In her voice, it will be, so nice. Now we are going to bother, especially this.
Thank you.
Hari Om. Thank you. Thank you.